We're in New York.
What?
We're in New York. I saw you in the vlog. We're in New York and going to the color factory.
Why are you doing this next to a tour bus?
We finished at the color factory and then we went to Trader Joe's and got some snacks, and now we're going to Tenho Ramen. Let's get ramen. There it is. We got bubble tea. BBT. Ryan Little. We just got back from New York and yeah, it was a good day. So we went to Color Factory, we got Trader Joe's snacks. If you haven't tried the Trader Joe's apple cider, it's so good. Also, everything at Trader Joe's is so good. And we went to this place called Tenho Ramen, and it was like, it was very good. That's all. It had really good fried chicken. Would recommend the fried chicken. And the, what else did we get? Oh, they were like little skewers with like potatoes and bacon. They were also really good. Also, today we had the best mozzarella sticks that I've ever had in my life. They were from Chelsea Market. Big Moz in Chelsea Market.
Big Moz.
Big Moz in Chelsea Market has the best mozzarella sticks ever. They're kind of expensive, not gonna lie, but it's okay because they're the best. They're the best. They're the best mozzarella sticks. The mozzarella is like fresh. Fresh mozzarella. Abhishek makes fun of me because I say it's fresh mozzarella every 10 seconds. It's fresh and it's so good. I promise.